Have you ever wondered how to turn your health supplement into a profit powerhouse? Well, let's delve into the rapidly expanding world of health supplements. It's a market that's booming, and it's not showing any signs of slowing down. With an increasing number of consumers turning to supplements for overall health and well-being, the demand is simply staggering. And with demand comes opportunity. This isn't a club with a restricted guest list. No, it's a party where everyone's invited. Whether you're a seasoned supplement seller or a newbie with a great idea, there's a piece of the pie for you. But how do you grab that piece? It's all about the right approach and strategy. You see, this isn't just about selling a product. It's about understanding the market, knowing your audience, and offering a solution that they need. The first step to success is understanding the profit potential in the health supplement market. There's gold in them hills, folks. You just need to know where to look. The next step is identifying your target market. Who will benefit most from your health supplement? Success in the health supplement industry is all about understanding your customers. It's about finding out who they are, what they need, and how your product can fulfill that need. Knowing your target market is not just about age, gender, or geographical location. It's about digging deeper. It's about identifying their health goals, understanding their lifestyle, and recognizing their buying habits. Perhaps your supplement is perfect for fitness enthusiasts looking to boost their workouts, or maybe it's ideal for busy professionals seeking a convenient way to maintain their health on the go. The key is to think about who will benefit most from your product and then tailor your marketing efforts to reach these individuals effectively. Remember, the clearer you are about who your customers are, the easier it will be to communicate with them and meet their needs. Knowing your target market is crucial in turning your health supplement into profit. Once you've identified your target market, it's time to develop a marketing strategy. This is where the magic happens. It's all about reaching, engaging, and convincing your potential customers that your health supplement is the answer they've been looking for. Let's start with social media marketing. It's a powerful tool to connect with your audience, share valuable content, and build a community around your brand. Next up, content marketing. This focuses on creating informative articles, engaging videos, or interactive quizzes to educate your audience about your product and its benefits. Then there's influencer marketing, a strategy that leverages the power of popular personalities on social media platforms who can endorse your product to their followers. Choosing the right one among these strategies depends on your target market. If they're young and tech-savvy, social media and influencer marketing might be the way to go. If they're more research-oriented, content marketing could be your golden ticket. A well-developed marketing strategy is key to selling your health supplement successfully. The final step in turning your health supplement into profit is building customer relationships. You see, customers are the lifeblood of any business, and in the health supplement market, it's no different. Building relationships isn't just about making sales, it's about creating a community around your product. It's about showing your customers that they're more than just dollar signs. To do this, you'll need to provide outstanding customer service. Be responsive, be helpful, and most importantly, be genuine. Social media provides a powerful platform for engagement. Use it to interact with customers, answer their questions, and even share their success stories. This helps to build trust and loyalty, and a loyal customer is a repeat customer. Don't forget about special promotions. They not only attract new customers, but also make your existing customers feel valued. Building strong customer relationships is the secret to sustainable profit in the health supplement market.